ZL2VS, just programming some memory channels into the ft450d in VFO mode at the moment. Just doing this for 10 meters, just 10 meter FM simplex and repeater channels. So we push the memory VFO memory button, 29600 FM simplex calling frequency, and then 29640, which is the Melbourne 10 meter repeater. And this is as far as I've got so far, but I will do so on and so on. There's quite a few repeaters in Australia that are on the same frequency but have different CT CSS tones, so I've got to do each one of them. Yeah, you notice it says memory 26. There's already quite a few different memory frequencies in here, but I'll just start off at 25 and go upwards and see how I get on. So thank you for watching, and bye for now.